Okay, x plus x minus 2 equals 6. So we want to get x by itself on one side of the equation. So the first thing here is let's just simplify whatever terms we can. So any terms that look the same, let's simplify them. So x plus x, that can be simplified to 2x. And then we'll just leave everything else the same for now. Minus 2 equals 6. And now I would like to get rid of this 2 on the left side that's here by itself. So I have a minus 2. One way to get rid of it is to add 2 to both sides. So anything you do to one side, you can and must do to the other side. So let me rewrite this first. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to do this. 2x minus 2 equals 6. And I left a little bit of space to write here. So now what I'm going to do is add 2 to both sides. I'm adding 2 to both sides. And I'm putting that in blue just so you can see what I'm doing to both sides. You don't have to put it in blue, of course. The color doesn't matter. But I just wanted to show you that now this term, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, right? 2 plus 2 is 0, or negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Either way you say it. So this whole left side now simplifies to 2x plus 0. Great. And that equals, on the right side, 6 plus 2. And 6 plus 2 is 8. So let's simplify this again. 2x plus 0 is really just 2x, right? So 2x. And that equals, on the right side, we'll just bring down the 8. There's no change on the right side. So 2x equals 8. Now once again, we're trying to get x by itself. That's our goal. So we want to get rid of this 2. So the easiest way to do that is to divide both sides by 2. And I'm doing it in blue just so you can see that what I'm doing. Dividing both sides by 2. Of course, the color doesn't really matter. And so now 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So that term simplifies to just 1x. And that equals, on the right side, 8 divided by 2 is 4. And so 1x is really the same as x. So x equals 4. And that's our solution. X equals 4. And I'm going to draw a rectangle around it just to show that that's our solution. And we could just stop right there. That is the answer. That's really all you have to do. So now just to double check and make sure that that is the right answer and give us confidence that we did it right, we can plug this number 4, x equals 4, back into the original equation and see if it checks out. See if both sides stay equal if we plug in the number 4. So let me just rewrite the equation. The original problem here, the original equation, was x plus x minus 2 equals 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in our answer of negative 4 into this equation. I'm sorry, not negative 4, positive 4. Into this equation and make sure it works. So where there's an x, I'm going to plug in the number 4. So if here's x, so I'm going to plug in the number 4 plus, here's x again, I'm going to plug in the number 4 again, minus 2 equals 6. And now we'll just simplify this. 4 plus 4 is 8, minus 2 is 6. So 4 plus 4 is 8, right? Minus 2 equals 6. And now we can simplify again. 8 minus 2 is 6, right? 6 equals 6. So our solution checks out. Everything worked. And that means that x equals 4.
Thumbs up and subscribe. For more videos like this, check out algebravideos.com.